So many of you window cleaners out there, especially in the US, are familiar with Maykker products, especially for this handy sleeve. It's a great tool that has multiple uses. For example, you can use the Maykker products mop that fits on there really well because of its Velcro design. You can also attach things like walnut pads, and even for detailing you can add your microfiber towels. So it's a wonderful tool. So how can we take the Maykker Handy Sleeve and modify it to become a quick tool to fit directly onto your pole? Let's do that now. Alright, so for this build, to turn your Maykker Handy Sleeve into a quick attachment tool for your WFP, you're obviously going to need the sleeve. Yeah, and the sleeves come in various lengths, so depending on what length you want this tool to be is entirely up to you. This is a 6-inch version I've got here, and these are optional, so these little end pieces here are optional, that's up to you. But I went for the 6-inch because it's small and light. You're going to need a cheap plastic T-bar or applicator. You're going to need a double adapter. A lot of pole companies make double adapters. This fits in between the gooseneck and the clamp of your pole, and you're going to need a brush head socket, and the brush head socket is going to fit onto the plastic T-bar and then allow you to quickly fit it onto your pole on and off really quickly and easily. So a couple of things that you need to do with the cheap plastic T-bar applicator is, obviously, depending on the length you buy, you may have to cut it down on the ends, and depending on the design, see with this one which has the fins, I've had to actually cut one of the fins off. So the fin looked like this on this side, and you can see I've cut right along the surface of that, made that surface flat, and then that allows me to fit this brush head socket on. Okay, so once you've cut down your plastic T-bar and you've attached the brush head socket, screwed it on, you can now use this very easily with your WFP pole, and it's a great addition to your cleaning system. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.